That you're so cute. You're so cute.
I hate cats.
Please disregard the person in the background.
I hate cats.
You're so cute. This is how my cat usually sleeps. Not like normal cats. She sleeps like a regular person.
I don't remember that.
This is the last one.
You can go to sleep, Abby.
Where they found out the clones underground.
Did you watch this?
I've seen it. I don't think I've seen it.
There they are.
This is the newest one.
Intake vents for the umbrella facility.
Was it?
Looks
They had the Asian chicken in.
That's what they want you to think. Let's move. We have just
They
2
brought
hours
back
to strap
the show.
outside. After
the
that,
show.
we can expect heavy umbrella reinforcements.
Maybe there's clones.
Whoa!
So there's a city
Bye.
underground. They found out it's all clones
What
So-
clones of who?
of like 50 specific people. They do testing for the zombies.